Hi viewers, welcome back to SHS Tech Solutions. This is the 17th tutorial for CSS beginners. Today in this tutorial, what we discuss on today, CSS box model properties. First of all, I am discussing on the what is box model. This is the box model. The content, this is the padding, and this is the border and margin. How to write the content, padding, border and margin, I will explain each and everything with example like coding. First of all, I am saying something, some description about the box model. Some description about the box model. HTML elements can be considered as a boxes. In case the box model is used when talking about the design and layout. What is that? Box model is used when talking about the design and layout. It consists of margin, borders, padding, actual content. Box model consists of the content, padding, border, and margin. Content, padding, border, and margin. Content. The content of the box where text and images appear. Content here where text and images will be appear. Padding. Padding clears an area around the content text. Padding clears around the area, around the content. The padding is transparent. Border that goes around the padding and content. Border that goes around the padding and content. Border that goes around the padding and content. Margin clears an area outside the border. Margin. What is the use of margin? Margin clears the area outside the border. Margin is transparent. You can set the width and height of an element correctly in all web browsers. You need to know the first of all box model works. What is that? You can set the width and height of an element correctly in all web browsers. You can set the width and height of an element in all web browsers. You need to know the box model works. You need to know how to work the box model. First of all, you need to know how to work the box model. When you set the width and height properties of an element with CSS, you just set the width and height of content area. Content area. I am going to example. This is the basic HTML structure which all of you know. Here I am writing the. First of all, you can set the width and height. Width and height of an element. Width and height of an element correctly in all web browsers. You need to know how the box model works. How the box model works. I write the another p tag. When you set the width and height, when you set the width and height, properties of an element. It's a CSS. We just set the width and height of the content. Width and height of content. width and height of content area. Also, we will check the output. Box model. This is the box model. This is the output. Here I am write the CSS for this. Title, box model properties in CSS. Style, what is the class name? Box model. Copy and paste here. Box model. Width 500 pixel. Height 300 pixel. Background color green. Font style italic. So we'll check the output. Yeah, this is the output. Here I am adding the padding. Padding 25 pixel. Here I am adding the padding 25 pixel. Next I am add the border. Border 5 pixel. Solid brown. Border radius 5 pixel. Yeah. External center. I am adding the some margin also. The margin auto. Margin auto. Okay. Here, what I am writing in PTAG, you can set the width and height of an element correctly in all web browsers. You need to know how the box model works. First of all, you can set the width and height of an element correctly in all web browsers. You need to know how to works of the box model. When you set the width and height properties of an element with CSS, you just set the width and height of content area. Here I am explain clearly. This is the content. Here this is the content. Yeah. Here this is the content. 500 into 46. A blue color area is the content. And next one. This is the padding. Green color. Please clear. Please watch carefully. Here this is the padding. This is the content. And next one, this is the padding. How much I am write the padding? Padding 25 pixel. Padding 25 pixel. I will be apply. And next one is border. Border is the brown color. Border brown color. 15 pixel. I am apply the border. And next one is the margin. Margin 20 pixel. Margin auto is I am applying. This is the box model works. Suppose you can write the margin 50 pixel also. It will be taken top, left, right, and bottom. Yeah, margin 50 pixel. Adding 25 pixel and margin 25 margin. Here we might clearly observe padding top 25 pixel and padding right 25 pixel, padding bottom 25 pixel, padding left 25 pixel, and same also border also, border top style, border top color, border right style, right left, right bottom left also apply. Next one is margin also, top right bottom left, total 4 size 50 pixel, 50 pixel will be applied. Here it can be shows padding 25 pixel will be applied. And next one is border. Here first one, this is the content, it will be showing clearly content. And next one is padding. Next one is padding, light green color, light green color is the padding. And next one is border. Yeah, light red color, light red color is the border, 15 pixel. And next one is total is the margin 50 pixel will be applied. One second guys, please listen or please watch carefully. This is the content, it will be showing light blue color, this is the content. And next one is light green color, is the padding 25 pixel, it will be applied. And next one is the border is the 15 pixel. And next one is the margin 50 pixel. This is the process of applying the box model CSS. This is the process. How to, next I will explain the how to calculate the width. Next I will explain the how to calculate the exact width. Total element width. How to calculate the total element width? Total element width equal to width plus left padding right padding plus left border, left margin plus right margin plus left border plus right border. Here exact width of this div is the, here this exact width of this div is the 300 pixel, sorry 500 pixel is the width. And next one is left and right is the 25 pixel, 25 50. Here 25 50. And next one is the 15 15 30. And next one is the 50 50 100 plus 30, 130 plus 25 50, 130 plus 50 180. Total exact width is the 680. 500 pixel is the actual width, 500 pixel, and 180 is the padding, border and margin. Here I am saying how to calculate the exact width plus left padding plus right padding, and left margin plus right margin, and left border plus right border. Total width. And next I will explain the how to calculate the total height. Total element height equal to height plus top padding plus bottom padding top plus bottom padding plus top margin plus bottom margin plus top border plus bottom border. Here width equal to 500 plus 25 50 25 plus 25 plus 15 border 15 plus 15 border and 50 plus 50 plus 50 totally 500 550 580 680 680 is the exact width. And here what is the height is the 300 pixel, and next one is actual height is the 300 pixel, and next one is 25 plus 25 padding and 15 plus 15 margin and 50 plus 50 totally 300 350 380 380 480 480 is the exact height of the box model this box. I hope guys we all are understand how to write the box model properties clearly. If you have any doubts or comments, please below the video. Once again guys, SHS Tech Solution provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, JS, jQuery, Bootstrap, AngularJS and digital marketing technologies also. So guys, please like, share my videos and please subscribe my channel. Please support me. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.